Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I want to talk a little Dogecoin in this video. This is going to be very important because as we look to exit this bear market and get into the next bull cycle, I want to go back in time, talk a little bit about a historical point as we look back on Dogecoin way back when we go back to 2021 in kind of the more traditional stock market, because there's something actually that is very correlating, and I'm going to bring it into your attention because this is something where I think when we look for what's going on right here, right now in a bear market, there are some take-home messages, if you will, that you want to kind of keep with you because there are better days ahead. So I want to just share with you guys what exactly I'm talking about. I'm going to break it all down for you in this video. But if you're new to the channel, absolutely subscribe, smash that like button. Let me know that you guys hold and own Dogecoin by doing so. It is one way to get your message across. And let's get down into it, guys. All right, so this is what I'm talking about now. Obviously not financial advice, so please do your own research and due diligence with all things crypto and financial. But this is basically what we're seeing as a new leadership role has came about for GameStop. Now, as a new CEO comes into the fold, can this be bullish for Dogecoin? All right, now what exactly I mean by that is Dogecoin experienced a very similar streak that we saw with the GameStop rallies, right? So for those of you that partaked in that, some of the Wall Street bets phenomenon that we saw on Reddit, as well as kind of getting into that short squeeze that GameStop experienced, okay? So this is what I'm saying when Ryan Cohen is the new CEO of GameStop. Now, a lot of times when you have a new CEO, it can spark interest and enthusiasm within the investor communities. Now, when we talk about these meme stocks, if you will, I think that's what they came back and talking about. The meme stocks and the meme coins kind of had a correlation, right? There was a lot of people that were investing in GameStops, whatever Wall Street bets basically drug out and posted that the target was what would be experiencing the short squeeze. Now, what exactly happened in the short squeeze is they overtook some of the institutional players that and hedge funds that were basically betting against these stocks, okay? And for those of you that do follow the traditional stock markets, GameStop was pretty much in peril, such as the like of crypto right now, all right? That is kind of where we're seeing the likes of Dogecoin not even close to all-time highs. 6 cents, guys. We all know where Doge could be and where it can run to, but this is kind of what it comes down to, all right? With new leadership, this is going to spark some new enthusiasm. Now, I'm not saying in this video that if GameStop goes up, if GameStop surges, Dogecoin is going to get up. I just want to connect the dots a little bit for you guys because obviously a lot of profit taking was going on back when GameStop was running, and I know firsthand people who took some of their profits, and that is the only reason they got into crypto was because GameStop gave them a lot of capital to run with, okay? And now that's kind of what my take-home message is that one small phenomenon such as a short squeeze ran by Wall Street bets could basically spark some of the retail players in the retail side of crypto to get to these all-time highs that we were once at. Now, I'm not saying Dogecoin will get back to 71 cents because Ryan Cohen is the new CEO of GameStop. No, not even close. But what I'm saying is all it takes is one. All it takes is one surge of momentum, one rally, one spark to turn a bear into a bull. And when we see this correlation that we saw back in 2021, Dogecoin can absolutely piggyback off of the likes of investor enthusiasm and interest with the traditional stock market. They do correlate sometimes, and this is a prime example of what crypto can do, because if we get another run like this, in essentially in these market conditions, that is something that can possibly very well happen due to the fact that people are eagerly awaiting that bull cycle, right? Anything, in my opinion, is on the table. It's kind of something where we're going to be looking in 2024. I think it's going to be a huge year for crypto. Bitcoin having a lot of momentum, right? New presidential election, all that good stuff. But it's something where we look into the future. Nobody has a crystal ball, but in terms of Dogecoin, the only way from here is up. So that's what I got for you guys in this video. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you did, absolutely subscribe down below. Help us out. It does help the channel grow, and it is free to do so. And we'll see you guys all in the next video. Thanks, everyone.